Open the files which downloaded from the links. That is drivers install files. Double-click. Here need to choose Others first. Here you can choose your printer models, 205 for TA or 306 for TA. If you don't know the model's number, you can check the label sticker of the printer. Here you can choose the S port, maybe S1 or USB 002. Each of the computers are defiant. Part 2. Install the bartender. Double-click BT2016 files to install the software. Click Next until finished. After installing the software, you can try to open it. Make a new test files by the new software. This files was made by us before. We need do some settings before printing it. Choose the right printer models. The meta tag needs changing it to continuous. If you need printed more clear, you can adjust the darkness to be more big and speed more small. If you print it like that, then you need to set this. Click the printer settings, ports, try to other USB ports. That it will be working.